Hello. Whenever you're running using RStudio, you'll need certain packages loaded. Okay, so for a lot of the things we'll do, you'll see in this first lesson we had these three packages that we needed loaded. When you run this chunk, I already have these packages loaded. All right, you can run that and then check down in your console to see if they ran, and it'll just show up as blue. If it doesn't show up as blue, it'll say something like this package is not found or something like that. And in that case, you need to load that package. So I'm going to show you how. Come over to this files, plots, packages little pane and go to packages and then hit install. And whichever package you don't have loaded, and in many cases it's been this DPLYR, okay, you would type that in and find it and it'll show it, and then just install that. All right, I already have it installed. I don't know what happens if I install it again. All right, so it's, you know what, it's already updated, so it doesn't want me to install it again. All right, but you need to install any package we're using here. So when you run that little setup, you can check in the console to see if it ran, right? And then if it didn't, come over here and install it, all right? So that's how you install a package. And then, by the way, then you have to come back and run this. So a package is like the machine that runs these different programs that are within this little file, right? And then when you do library, basically what it's doing is unpacking that package. Okay, so then you need to open these libraries, and that will open all of those. And now you'll be able to run what you need to from those packages.